What if I told you your engine could be giving you warning signs right now and you may be ignoring every one of them? Here's the scary part. Most engines don't fail suddenly. They fail slowly, quietly, one small symptom at a time. And by the time most drivers realize something is wrong, the damage is already expensive. I've seen one engine destroyed before 100,000 miles while another identical engine ran past 300,000 miles. Same model, same driver habits. The difference? One owner noticed the warning signs and acted early, the other ignored them. And it often starts with something so small it doesn't feel important. Your fuel economy drops a little. Maybe your car used to get better mileage and now it seems thirstier. Most people blame gas quality, traffic, or weather. But sometimes that small drop is your engine losing efficiency from carbon buildup, rising friction, or early combustion issues. That's the problem with early warning signs, they don't feel urgent. Then maybe you notice a slight vibration at idle when the engine is warm, nothing dramatic. The car still drives, so you dismiss it. But what if that tiny roughness is uneven combustion starting to develop? What if one cylinder is working harder than the others? That's how wear begins quietly. And then comes heat, not overheating, just running a little warmer than normal. Most drivers ignore that completely. But even a small rise in operating temperature can speed up oil breakdown, weaken protection, and increase internal wear. Heat is one of the fastest ways to shorten engine life, and most people don't pay attention until the temperature gauge is already in the danger zone. Now imagine you check the oil and it looks darker sooner than expected. Most people assume dark oil means it's doing its job. Sometimes it is. But sometimes it means contamination, fuel dilution, or internal wear is stressing the oil faster than normal. And once your oil starts losing protection, engine wear doesn't stay small for long. Then one morning, you start the car and hear a brief ticking sound, maybe a little rattle, and then it disappears. Easy to ignore, right? But those few seconds can reveal delayed lubrication, and cold starts are where some of the worst engine wear happens. That noise vanishing doesn't mean the problem vanished. And then maybe your oil level starts dropping between changes. Not enough to panic, just enough to notice. This is where many drivers make a huge mistake. They top it off and move on, but disappearing oil can be a sign your engine is already consuming it internally. Worn rings, aging valve seals, problems that don't fix themselves. Then something changes in the way the car feels. Acceleration isn't as strong, it feels lazy under load. You press the pedal harder without even thinking about it, but that extra throttle often adds more stress to an engine already struggling. And this is where warning signs become harder to ignore. Maybe you smell burning oil after driving. Maybe you catch a little smoke. This is not a symptom to postpone. By the time you smell burning oil, damage may already be happening. But the most dangerous warning sign of all, the one most drivers misunderstand completely, intermittent oil pressure fluctuation. Maybe the oil light flickers once. Maybe the pressure reading seems odd for a moment, then returns to normal. And because it disappears, people ignore it. That can be the last warning before catastrophic failure. Because unstable oil pressure means metal parts may already be losing the protection that keeps them separated. And once metal starts touching metal, damage accelerates fast. Here's the truth most people get wrong. They think if the car still runs, it must be fine. That belief destroys engines. Engines usually don't die from one sudden event. They die from small problems allowed to grow. And I see drivers make the same mistakes again and again. They delay oil changes because the oil still looks okay. They trust the oil life monitor blindly. They ignore small changes because no warning light is on. They use the wrong oil for harsh driving conditions. Or worse, they pour in additives hopping for a shortcut instead of diagnosing the real problem. Quick fixes can hide symptoms, they rarely fix causes. What actually keeps engines alive isn't complicated. Pay attention to small changes. Check oil levels regularly. Use the correct oil. Investigate symptoms early. Don't wait for a dashboard light to tell you what your engine has been trying to tell you for months. Because the difference between a 100,000-mile engine and a 300,000-mile engine often comes down to noticing the whispers before they become failures. Now I want to know, have you noticed any of these warning signs in your car? Because some of them are far more common than people realize. And if you think these warning signs were surprising, there's one simple habit most drivers skip that can prevent massive early engine wear. And almost nobody talks about it. Watch the next video before your engine becomes an expensive lesson.